So do you know why most ECC to S4HANA migration projects fail? See, before you blame HANA, before you blame Fiori, before you blame ABAP, let me tell you something which is uncomfortable. Most ECC to S4HANA projects don't fail because of technology. They fail because of consultants thinking, right? See, most consultants start ECC to S4HANA thinking, just database change hai, UI थोड़ा fancy हो गया है, ABAP में थोड़ा adjust कर लेंगे. Reality check from real projects. That's thinking has killed timelines and burned very good consultants. Let me explain this with real project moments. Moments you will recognize instantly. If you have actually lived through ECC S4HANA program, you know the fire don't come from HANA versus any DB. They don't come from GUI versus Fiori. They come from one sentence in UAT, but nothing changed. So why is it failing now? Right? Let me translate that pain into real situations. The silent breakers, they don't look dangerous until go live week. Business partner, customer vendor integration, billing fails for one customer, credit block appears for another, vendor payment error shows up in finance. Different teams, different errors, one root cause, right? A business partner role mapping missed during migration. So in ECC, a customer was just a customer, a vendor was just a vendor. In S4 HANA, one business partner wears many hats. One wrong hat, chaos across SD, MM, and FI. It looks random, but it is not. Now, the 40 character material number. In workshops, someone says config to simple hai na, but go live reality, EDI invoices fail for two customers. Warehouse scanner rejects picks, reject picking. Label prints half the material number. Excel uploads break silently. Why? Z fields are still 18 characters. Middleware mappings were never touched. Old smart forms were never updated. Configuration took 10 minutes, but cleanup took 5 to 6 weeks. Now, pricing and output. This is where confidence dies. Sales says the invoice value is wrong, but only for one pricing procedure, one tax condition, one country. That's ECC mindset says, let's debug KONV. In S4 HANA, KONV doesn't work like before. Pricing lives differently now. Old habits lead to wrong totals and very long nights. Now come to output. Invoice print preview works. Final invoice does not print. No error, no dump. It fails only when you reprint or when you change the language or need email and PDF together. This is where teams lose weeks, not just days. Now finance. Why does closing feels different? Because it is different. Universal journal changes behavior, right? Mandatory material ledger changes logic. Reconciliation works differently. COPA needs rethinking. Settlement doesn't behave like ECC. This is not migration, this is a remodeling. Now comes to Fiori. When user says Fiori doesn't work, what they really mean is roles are broken, missing catalogs, overloaded roles, ECC menu thinking forced into S4 HANA, right? Users don't want apps, they want processes. Now the most underestimated works team, not fixing all Z codes, but identifying that it is not about fixing those ZT codes, but identifying the 20 objects that touches business partner, pricing, output, settlement, rebates, and the interfaces. Those 20 objects decide whether Kator week is calm or it turned into a war room. If you have done this journey, which area have you burned? Is it burned you the most? Think about it and comment below in this video. Is it business partner? Is it pricing? Is it output? Is it roles? Is it interfaces? Is it rebates? I have probably lived that exact week. Now listen carefully. If you want to learn SAP SD, the way projects really run today and the way they will run in 2030, not just configuration way, not just T codes way, but end-to-end thinking, real project stories, fun and gamified practical learning, stop thinking. Thinking feels safe, yes or no? But thinking keeps you stuck. Action changes the career. Click the link in the description or click the link in the comments below. or just comment below SAP SD. Join my SAP SD masterclass. We don't just teach screens, we build judgments, confidence, project ready consultants. See you inside. Thank you so much for watching.